So here in this sheet we can see that how to calculate a percentage of year between two dates showing the time lapsed in percent. The first date is date year today 1,1. With this formula we wrote the first date of year 2000. As you can see, date year today, 1,1, first month and first date of the month, and here today of which we are using the today function. How many days left in 2020? Almost we are on the end, so how can we make the percentage? Look at the percentage formula. With the year fraction function we can calculate the percentage of the year which has passed, and we can also find out that how many percent year is balanced, how many percent days or months are balanced which are still to go. So the function is YEARFRAC, YEARFRACs, and then reference of cell 1 and cell 2. YEARFRAC function will calculate you a percentage of the year. Let's see in the next sheet. First day of February, last day of February. Find out the last date of the month with the help of the formula, the help of year and month function. Notice the leap year. It is Monday 1 February 1999, and here is the date, different date. You can see it hard written dates. And how can we find the February month in each of this year and find out the last day of the year in order to see the leap year? So look at this formula, date, year. This is the reference B6, month, B6 plus 1, 0. So look at this, Monday 1 Feb 1999. As we can see that in every year we have taken the first day of February, but with the help of this formula, as we are referring this B6 month plus 1, 0, which is giving us the last day of the February to any year, which is giving us the last day of February of any year. If I click this, we can find out that in 1999 the February month was of 28 days, but in the year of 2000 the February month was 29 days, which was a leap year. Here again we can see the leap year, which is falling after every fourth year. 1, 2, 3, fourth year is leap year. 1, 2, 3, fourth year is leap year. Look at this. If we want to confirm this, that whether the date in 2000 was 29 in Feb 2000, we will go to the Windows calendar and we will go to the Feb month to find out that it was 29. And if we go to the 2001, and the Feb month is 28. And again in 2004, let's see, in 2004 it says it was 29. To see if it is 29, 2004, go to 2004, 21, big, here is the 2004 and here is the Feb and it is 29. Look at this, 2004 and it is 29. So I think this function is working correct, and this is the formula. If you ever need this formula to find out that which was the last day of the month, so you can use this formula. It is not only for the Feb month, but you can find it any month. For example, I want to know the last day of the March. I will use this. It is March 1, 1999, and it says that it Wednesday 31 March 1999, to see whether it was 31 March 1999. Go inside and come back. Here is the 1999 and here is the month March. So we can see that it is Wednesday 31 March 1999. Well guys, I think you have got now the idea of how to find out the last day of the month. Take to my Microsoft Excel formula class, find out the last day of the month. And another topic. So as we have seen in our previous video that we can find the last day of the month with this formula, and we can find out the last day of the month with this formula as well. E month E month B5, 1, it will give you the last day of the month, 1. Look at this. The same way leap year is